In this example, we have a trapezoid ABCD with median MN. Remember, it's the median because it's a segment connecting the midpoints of the two bases. Another property that we didn't mention in our last video is that the median also happens to be parallel to both of the bases. So, for instance, if you knew this was a 60-degree angle, then that would make this angle a 60-degree angle because it would be corresponding with it. This one 120 because it was supplementary to the original, and that one 120. We want to look, though, not at the angle relationships, but what we're interested here in is figuring out the length of the median in a problem like this, actually figuring the missing base and the median. So in this particular problem, we have that the 2x plus 1, that's our median, which is m in our median formula. We have the 28. The 28 is one of our bases here, so let's call it base 2, and we'll call this guy base 1. So we have our two bases. We don't know that one. We don't know the median. We do know this base is 28, but we have our formula. So we just plug into our formula. We say that 2x plus 1, that's the median's length, equals the bases added. Well, one of our bases is x plus 4. Our other base is 28. And all of that is being divided by 2. 28. Okay, so now we're going to multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the fractions. On this side, remember to distribute. That's 4x plus 2 equals. On the right side, the reason we multiplied by 2 was to get the 2's to cancel. So now that they've canceled, we're left with x plus 4 plus 28 would be 32. If we collect our like terms, subtracting an x from both sides will leave us 3x on the left. Subtracting 2 from each side will leave us with 30 on the right. Now divide by 3, x will equal 10. If x is 10, then this top base would be 10 plus 4 would make it 14. The median would be 2 times 10 plus 1. That's 21. And of course we already knew that the other base was 28. We can easily confirm that you add 7 to go from 14 to 21. Another 7 takes us to 28. Again, that shows that the 21 was the median, and we have the lengths of all the segments.